From the time India became independent till the advent of the 90s, if I ask you which musician has performed in the maximum number of Hindi film songs, you might immediately think of Lata Mangeshkar or Mohammed Rafi. But the answer is not a singer. It's a family of musicians, the family of lords. For over 4 decades, 1 out of every 3 songs featured either the father, Kawas Lord, or his sons, Kersey Lord and Berger Lord. This series is about these lords of music. And in the first part, let's talk about the pioneer, Kawas Lord. Born in a strict Parsi family in 1911, Kawas Lord moved to Bombay at the age of 12 to follow his passion for music. His journey began with India's first talkie film, Alamara, where he played in the background score. Soon he was performing at the iconic Taj Mahal Hotel, Mumbai, where the great composer C. Ramchandra discovered him. Kawas Lord's rhythms became the heartbeat of many unforgettable songs. Think of Bholi Surat Dil Ke Khote or Ina Meena Dika. Behind their energy stood Kawas Lord.
भोली सूरत दिल के खोटे नाम बड़े और दर इना मीना रिका डिका डे टाई डामेनी का मागाना का टिका पिका रोला रिका राम पम कोट. He learned tabla from Ghulam Muhammad Saab, collaborated with Shankar Jaikishan in Hum Hai Anadi and left his mark everywhere. सच है दुनिया वालों के हम हैं अनाड़ी. Ask anyone about this signature of O.P. Nayyar's music and they'll say, oh, the horse beat. But do you know who created the iconic sound with coconut shells? Yes, it was Kawas Lord. Naushad Saab welcomed Kawas Lord wholeheartedly. When you listen to Mohe Panghat Pe Nandlal from Mughal-e-Azam, know that the ghungru sound in the song is not created by Madhubala's feet, but by Kawas Lord's hands. Then came the Chote Nawab, R.D. Burman Saab. In Matwali Aankhon Wale from Chote Nawab, it was Kawas Lord who played the castanets, planting the seed of the rhythmic revolution R.D. Burman would one day lead. By the 1970s, with his bongos, Kawas Lord shaped the very sound of the new era. Just listen to Mera Naam Hai Shabnam from Kati Patang. And yet, if you search Kawas Lord on IMDb, you'll find just one entry. In reality, he performed in nearly 25,000 songs, a number greater than many celebrated singers and actors. We lost this maestro on 24th December 2007, but his rhythms still echo through the golden age of Hindi cinema.